Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss reason of convergence of Z transform. So what is the reason of convergence? So the definition of reason of convergence is the region in the Z plane where the infinite series summation un z power minus n, which is Z transform of the sequence un, the infinite series summation un into z power minus n converges absolutely. The region in the Z plane where the infinite series summation un into z power minus n converges absolutely is called region of convergence of Z transform. So this is the definition of region of convergence of the Z transform. Now how to find the region of convergence? We take two examples. First, consider the following sequence un where un is 0 for n less than equal to 0 and un is equal to a raised to n for n greater than equal to 0. So this is the sequence un and we have to find its region of convergence. So the Z transform of the sequence un is summation n goes from 0 to infinite because un term are 0 for all n less than equal to 0. So we have only the term un for n greater than equal to 0. So summation n goes from 0 to infinite, and for the positive value of n, un is equal to a raised to n. So a raised to n into z power minus n. So by definition of Z transform, we have the Z transform of the sequence un is summation n goes from 0 to infinite a raised to n into z raised to minus n. Now this summation can be written as z raised to minus n become 1 upon z raised to n, then a raised to n upon z raised to n become a by z whole raised to n. So we can write this summation as summation n goes from 0 to infinite a by z whole raised to n. Now putting n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, we expand this summation. We get for n equal to 0, we have 1. For n equal to 1, we have a by z, plus for n equal to 2, we have a by z whole square, plus so on. So this is an infinite series, and obviously it is a geometric series with common ratio a by z, and the first term is 1. So the sum of this series, as we know, the sum of infinite geometric series is a upon 1 minus r, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio. So here the first term a is 1 upon 1 minus r. The common ratio r is a by z. So this is the Z transform of the given sequence un. Now about the convergence of this sum, this is infinite GP with common ratio a by z, and as we know that an infinite geometric series of the form a plus ar square plus so on ar n plus so on, this is a geometric series with first term a and common ratio r. This series is convergent if the mod of r, that is the mod of common ratio, is less than 1. This we have a result for a geometric series, convergence of geometric series. An infinite geometric series will be convergent if its common ratio r, modulus of r should be less than 1. Now in this case the common ratio is A by Z. So this series, infinite series, will be convergent if mod of A by Z is less than 1, which implies mod A is less than mod Z, and which implies mod Z is greater than mod A. So the series is convergent if mod Z is greater than mod A. Now what is the reason of convergence? The region of convergence of the given sequence is mod Z equal to greater than mod A, and since mod Z equal to A is the circle of radius A with center at origin. As we know, mod Z equal to A is a circle of radius A with center at origin. Therefore, mod Z greater than mod A is a region of the circle mod Z equal to A, outside of the circle mod Z equal to A. So we can say mod Z greater than mod A is the exterior of the circle mod Z equal to A, and this is your circle mod Z equal to A, and this part is the exterior of mod Z equal to A, and which is the reason of convergence of the given sequence. So next we take another sequence, which is sequence un is b raised to n when n is less than 0 and 0 when n is greater than equal to 0. So this is another sequence. Now we find its Z transform and then the region of convergence of the Z transform. So Z transform, by definition we have Z transform of the sequence un is summation for positive values of n, that is for n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, the value of sequence un are 0, and for negative n, that is for n goes from -1 to minus infinite, we have bn. So we have Z transform of un is equal to summation n goes from -1 to minus infinite, and in that case value of un is b raised to n into z power minus n. So this is the Z transform of the sequence un. Now here we write b raised to n is 1 upon b raised to minus n, then z raised to minus n upon b raised to minus n. We can write z by b whole raised to minus n, where n is going goes from -1 to minus infinite. Now putting n equal to -1, we have here +1, so z by b. For n equal to -2, we have +2 here, so z by b whole square, plus for n equal to -3, we have +3 here, so z by b whole cube, and so on. So we expand this summation by putting n equal to -1, -2, -3. We have z by b plus z by b whole square plus z by b whole cube, and so on. Again, this series is an infinite geometric series whose first term is z by b and common ratio is also z by b. So the sum of this series, that is the Z transform of the sequence un, is z by b, the first term, upon 1 minus z by b, common ratio. Now simplify this, or the Z transform of the sequence un is z by b upon 1 minus z by b. We simplify, b is LCM, and then b goes in the numerator, then b to b cancel. So we have z in the numerator upon here we have b minus z. Now what about convergence of this sum or this series? As we know, the sum, the geometric series is convergence if the mod of common ratio is less than 1, and here the common ratio is z by b. So this sum will be convergent if mod z by b is less than 1. That is, mod z is less than mod b. So the reason of convergence ROC of the given sequence is mod z less than mod b. What is this reason? So as we know, mod z equal to b is the circle of radius b whose center is origin. Therefore, mod z less than mod b represent the region, the interior of the circle mod z equal to b. So the mod z less than b is the interior of the circle mod z equal to b. So here this is the circle mod z equal to b, center origin and radius b. And since mod z is less than mod b, the sum will be convergent if mod z is less than mod b. That is, the interior part of this circle will be the region of convergence for the given sequence. So this is about region of convergence for a Z transform. In next video we will take few university examples. So see you in next video. Thank you.